Hello, everyone. Today, I have some exciting new insights to share with you. In our latest Medium article, we'll dive into the transformative power of feature engineering in machine learning. To make it even more impactful, our channel will be analyzing each step of this article's insights, guiding you through the process one by one. So let's jump into how the K-means algorithm can serve as a powerful tool for feature engineering, adding new dimensions to your dataset and refining your model's predictive abilities. Now, let's hand things over to our guest contributor, who will walk us through the importance of feature engineering in machine learning.
Hi, everyone. In the ever-evolving landscape of machine learning, effective feature engineering plays a pivotal role in model performance. This article delves into the power of the K-means algorithm as a strategic tool for providing supplementary features to bolster your dataset. K-means, a versatile clustering algorithm traditionally employed for segmentation tasks, can be harnessed beyond its conventional use. By strategically utilizing the clusters generated by K-means, we unlock a wealth of information that can be translated into meaningful features. This not only refines our understanding of the underlying patterns in the data, but also empowers machine learning models with enhanced capabilities. Throughout this article, now we'll walk through practical implementations, illustrating how K-means can identify inherent structures in your data and subsequently contribute valuable insights. From optimizing segmentation strategies to uncovering latent relationships, the K-means algorithm emerges as a valuable ally in the quest for feature-rich datasets. Where we demystify the integration of K-means into your feature engineering toolkit, offering actionable insights for elevating the performance of your machine learning models. Here's an inspiring walkthrough of how we'll harness clustering and correlation analysis to unlock insights from our data and uncover hidden patterns. We start by importing our dataset and calculating a correlation matrix to identify the strongest relationships with our target variable, giving us a solid foundation for feature selection. Next, we dive into the world of clustering with K-means, training the algorithm across a range of cluster numbers to identify the optimal structure in our dataset. Each point, each variable, gets its own home assigned to a centroid that reveals distinct patterns within the data. To take it even further, we enrich the dataset by transforming these cluster distances into valuable new features, offering a fresh perspective on the relationships in our data. The addition of centroid distances as new features allows us to see which data points gravitate towards specific clusters, intensifying the power of our analysis. The final result? A strengthened model, a refined feature set, and a deeper, more intuitive understanding of our data. Unlocking the inherent mathematical prowess of the K-means algorithm reveals its ability to discern and leverage linearity within features. This not only showcases the algorithm's sophistication, but also positions it as a powerful tool for unearthing high-impact features through the strategic utilization of the correlation matrix. In essence, K-means transcends traditional approaches, providing a dynamic avenue for the identification and incorporation of robust new features that can significantly enhance the analytical depth and predictive capabilities of the model. Thank you so much for watching. For more insights and inspiration, be sure to stay connected. You won't want to miss what's coming next on our journey in machine learning.